The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Isabella County in central Michigan, southern Clare County in central Michigan, southern Osceola County in central Michigan, northern Mecosta County in central Michigan, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Everett, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Pleasant, Big Rapids, Clare, Reed City, Farwell, Rosebush, Barrington, Lake Isabella, Lake Paris, Hersey, Brinton, Rodney, Gibbos Corners, Loomis, Delwyn, Chippewa Lake, Beale City, Weidman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.